We need to ensure the structural integrity here matches the holographic projection.
The stress points on level 7 require adjustment.
I'll run the updated simulations now.
We need to focus on section 4B.
The structural integrity depends on this connection point.
The pile depth here needs adjustment based on the soil report.
And the rebar spacing at this junction?
Yes, noted that on the tablet. Is this joint secure for the shear loads?
Yes, the rebar layout is optimized. We finalized the model this morning.
All right, get the casting started. All right, bring it down 5 more inches. 5 inches, holding steady. All right, crane, take it down easy. We're almost seated, hold it right there. Okay, slow it down, we are full here. Cut the flow. Keep the flow steady over there. Make sure the vibrator reaches the bottom layer. Keep the flow steady on the west side. Copy that, watching the pressure now. Core is rising. Keep it slow. Copy that, easy on the hoist. Lower it slowly, watch the connection point. Okay, it's settling now, hold it there. Keep it coming steady. Hitting the vibrator now. All right, start floating that end. The tolerances on the central joint are holding perfectly. Good.
Proceed with the final anchoring sequence.
The oscillation is well within acceptable parameters at this velocity.
Excellent. The structural integrity is confirmed.
Lower it slowly. We're almost aligned.
It's seated. Start securing the bolts.
Secure the hydraulic line on section 4.
Copy that. Adjusting the crane now.
The structural integrity looks good from here.
Yeah, the tolerances are perfect. We're clear for the lift.
Okay, guide it in gently.
Got it. A little left.
Perfect alignment, secure it now.
All right, keep coming down. Got the guide wire. Power tools engaged. Secure the clamps.
The weld quality looks good on this section.
Yes, let's clear it for transport. Okay, easy now. Keep it aligned.
We're clear on this side. Lower away.
Start the guns. A little to the left, slowly now. Copy that. Moving left. Looks aligned. Secure the joint.
Bring it up slowly now. Watch the east side clearance.
Roger that. Spire is clear for descent.
Hold it right there. Swing it slowly. Copy that. Dropping it 5 feet.
Clear the area. The crane is moving. All right, I'm moving the forklift now.
We need to route the conduits through this section first.
Got it. Lining up the next panel now. Check the conduit alignment on section 3. Looks good from here. Almost done pulling this run. Okay, slow it down. Just a little lower on your side, Ben. We're clear. Make sure the headboard is perfectly centered under the light fixture.
Roger that. Securing it now.
Check the load-bearing capacity on section 4B.
The tensile strength looks acceptable here, but let's cross-reference the original blueprints.
The alignment here is off by at least 2 degrees.
The load-bearing specs won't hold if we use this beam.
We need to report this immediately.
The final measurement is confirmed. We are exactly on spec.
Verified on the tablet. Good job.
45 meters confirmed. We are good to go.
check the alignment on this blueprint detail here.
It's perfectly flush now.
Excellent. That meets the quality standard.
Look at that. Taller than the schematic showed.
Project completion achieved, gentlemen. The impossible is now complete.